What up, guys? Today wanted to show you what we're offering up, ready to ship today. Is a set of 4 PRObuilt smoothies, 17 by 7 with a 5.5 inch back spacing, 4x130, and we did them off-white and polished. Let's show you. Oh my God. What's up, everyone? Today we have a set of 17 by 8s and 17 by 7 4x130 3-piece smoothies in off-white and polished. They're available to ship today, all sealed up, ready to go. $3,200 shipped anywhere in the lower 48 states. Anywhere else, please comment below with your zip code or postal code and country, and I can get you quotes. But they are ready to leave today. Five and a half inch back spacing on these, 17.7 fronts, 17.8 rears.